Guys, hello, namaste, ella vanakkam, andariki namaskaram, assalamu alaikum. So guys, welcome to my channel and make sure to subscribe to my channel for the more videos. So in this video I would like to talk about all about the BS. Okay, BS in Philippines. So let's start the video. So as you know that guys, the countries who is following the American education system rule, they have to must and should do a BS program, that is 1.5 to 2 years course. Okay, prior to their MD admission. Okay, so what is BS and why we need to do BS, and okay, I have already made a video on this topic. Okay, just click on the icon button or the link in the description. Okay, so guys, here in Philippines, you know that guys, BS, there are so many branches here. We need to do either if you want to do BS biology or in BS psychology or AB psychology. Okay, so guys, in DMSF guys, they only accept only BS biology and BS psychology. Okay, so mostly they are doing BS biology. Okay, and also in other colleges such as perpetual guys, there is AB psychology, and other colleges they are having BS biology, I think so. Okay, so guys, what are the subjects? Okay, what are the subjects there is there in BS biology? Okay, and what are the textbooks? Okay, so guys, for BS biology guys, what are the books you are going to use in BS biology? Okay, or BS biology, it is Harper's biochemistry, Snell's anatomy, and also guys, Guyton or Boron physiology, and Junker's histology, and also clinical anatomy, neuroanatomy. That is the books you are going to use in the MD first year also. Okay, so going to study up some basic point only in the BS. Okay, so you need to learn some basic concepts in the BS. Okay, so how to buy these books guys? Okay, some of the consultants, so guys, as this is a pandemic situation guys, the BS program is going to held, not going to held, is already is running, already in progress in India only. Okay, for them guys, their agents, your agents, some consultancy like SC consultancy or Transworld or so many consultancy are there now in India, so they are providing the textbooks. Okay, they are charging 20,000 pesos, no, 20,000 rupees for the whole textbooks. Okay, so you must and should buy that books. Okay, because these books are going to useful in the MD first year. Okay, so and also guys, there are some consultancy members providing the medical kit also in the BS only. Why guys? There is no need of medical kit in the BS. Okay, if they are providing, it's okay, keep it with you. Okay, because guys, the medical kit is only used from the second year onwards. Okay, if you're interested to buy there in India, you can buy, or else guys, you can buy after your completion of first year. Okay, I will give the whole list of the medical kit. Just you can watch my video, what are the medical kits you need to require. Okay, that's it. There is no need of any medical kits in the BS program. Okay, so guys, and also guys, what are the types of and also guys, what is the exam pattern in the BS? So actually guys, in the BS, the exam pattern is totally MCQ type, semester wise examination. Okay, and also guys, for the BS psychology and also AB psychology guys, they are all about the human psychology. Okay, so for this guys, there is no need to buy any textbooks. Okay, they will provide the PDF forms. Okay, PDF and documents. Okay, they will provide, you need to just learn that only. Okay, no need to buy any extra textbooks. Okay, so and also guys, there is in BS psychology guys, there will be a MCQ type of questions, and also sometimes there will be a theory examination. Okay, so according to me guys, it's better to take a BS biology only. Okay, so as I told that guys, as this is pandemic conditions, so the BS program is going to be in India. So in India, guys. So guys, if you want to come here, if you want to come here, or if you are coming here in Philippines for the BS program, guys, so what are the things you need to require, what are the things you need to carry while traveling to Philippines, guys? So I have already made a video on this topic. Just click on the icon button or just see the description, guys. What are the things you need to carry while traveling to Philippines? Okay, so finally, guys, for the BS, guys, you need to buy the books. Which one? The books which are going to buy is the same for the MD first year. So you need to buy the MD first year books. I have already given. So no need to buy any medical kit. If they are providing, it's okay. You can take it and keep it with you. Okay, and also, guys, there is a uniform for the BS. Okay, so uniform they will also provide by your agents. Okay, they will charge you, I think so, 40,000 pesos, 40,000 rupees they will charge you for the uniform and the textbooks. Okay, so guys, for the fees, guys, for the BS fees, so for the BS fees is, guys, according to me, while comparing all colleges, guys, the BS fee is around almost equal, guys, for the all colleges. It will be around up to 10 lakhs rupees. Okay, all college members, all colleges, the BS fee is equal, almost equal. Okay, so that's it, guys. The completion of your BS course, you need to appear in the NMAT examination, and then only we will get the admission in MD. Okay, so I took BS psychology from Brokenshire College. So at the time in 2019, starting 2018 to 19, so that time there is no COVID time, so I attended face-to-face classes, so there is no problem for me. So, and also, guys, the NMC new rules, guys, this is only applicable for the students who are taking the admission after the 18th November, either in BS or MD. Okay, so no need to worry who took the admission before that. Okay, so just chill. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Okay, thank you.